Hi everyone, welcome to How to Fix Online. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 2433 on TikTok. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The 2433 error code is among TikTok's most frequently occurred faults. Users that attempt to change their bio run into this issue. This error will show up while applying the changes on your profile. The 2433 error code will appear and your profile bio will remain the same. So in that case, here are some fixes you could try out. The first thing to do is to make sure that you've updated your TikTok app to the latest version. Go and tap open App Store or your Play Store and in the search box, search for TikTok. Once you make your search, if you see an update button right next to the app, you'll need to simply tap on update to get the latest version of your TikTok app downloaded on your mobile device. Once you have the latest version, simply open up your TikTok app and see if that fixes the issue by trying to change your profile update. If it doesn't work for you, then the next thing to do is to clear your TikTok cache. Tap open TikTok app and go to the bottom right hand corner and tap on Profile. Tap the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Clear Cache button under Cache and Cellular Data. Once you clear out the cache data from your TikTok app, this might help you get rid of the problem. If it still does not work, then you can also try updating your system software. Go and tap Open Settings and now scroll down and tap General. Select Software Update button and make sure to update your software for your mobile device. Download and install the update if available, and once you do that, you might be able to fix your TikTok issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're going through TikTok error 2433. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.